everyone. I'm going to show a technique today that will help you improve your strokes and the skills involved with the pressure and release and the transitions. And it's kind of a fun thing to do. It's about drawing half of a stroke. So first you are going to start with, any two colors of brush pen, and don't worry about contaminating them because they just stay clean. They scribble clean. So I will start out by, actually I'm going to just mark my lines here. You can work with any letter, a single letter at a time. It's up to you. I'll do 3, my X height will be 3 squares high. So I'm going to draw my my baseline, my waistline, and my center line. All right, and now I'm just going to write the letters A, B, and C. So I'm going to start with my yellow, a light color, and my oval, and my underturn. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And now I'm going to take a different color of Dream Pen, and again I'm using the large tip on this, and I'm going to just do the top halves, trace over the top half of that letter. This really helps me focus on my strokes and the transitions. So it doesn't have to end straight, but I want to start and stop at the same place. And then I'm going to start on the top of the underturn and just go halfway like this. Now, the end points are I like them to be straight, so I'm going to just clean them up like that, but you don't have to. The point is to do that halfway stroke. And now I'm going to actually go upwards halfway on this upstroke like this. Okay, it teaches you how to use the tip of your pen and also put pressure and release. So let's try the letter B. I'm going to start with my entrance stroke, and then my ascender loop is next. And now I have my reverse oval, like that. So I will do the same thing. I want the top half of this ascender loop to be, to trace over with the other color. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go down, down. I'm going to stop there. And now I'm going to do the top half of my reverse oval, up, push, and down like this. Okay, remember you're not actually creating, you can play around with this and create a lettering effect for a pattern, but we're just focusing on technique right now. So I'm going to draw the C last, and again it's all of these oval letters, lots of fun. And I will draw my C oval, just the top half, and stop like that. Okay? Now I am going to show that in a word. So I'll zoom out and write a word just like I did here. So I'll draw my lines first, like this. So here is my ascender line, my waistline, and my baseline. Okay, so let's write the word letter. There's the word letter, and now I'm going to go halfway. So I'm going to go lightly up and push down. And what is halfway to you? It doesn't matter. The point is you're just doing half of the letter to try to improve your brush pen skills and your focus. Now you can see I didn't really do these upstrokes. I could probably do that the last half of this stroke if I wanted it to be more consistent. But you can see this can develop into a fun pattern as well. Now the other thing you can do, this is just the top half of these letters. you can do the exact same drill or exercise with the bottom half. So let's draw, we did ABC, let's do D and E. So now I'm going to focus on the bottom half. So on the bottom half, I will just start halfway on this oval and release and come up. See that? That working on that transition just halfway really makes a difference. Now the bottom half of the L, to me it's a bit higher. Release and come up. Well, that L is actually the D ascender, but ascender loop. So the bottom half of the E is simply that underturn. There. All right, so I hope you can give this technique a try. It will really help improve your focus and your skills in working on your thick and thin strokes. Thanks for watching.